welcome to my channel Vani Vaid. So today I am sharing a random video with all of you. Here I am having a newspaper in which we are given two things. The one is puzzle in which we have to find the way, and another one is we have to join the dots to make the flower. So I am really excited. I hope you all are too. So let's get started. So let's see how we can find the way. I'm making the way or making the video randomly on the spot for all of you. So you have to help me in finding the way, okay? So here I am trying to find the way. So I think like this we can go. So like here we can start now. So I'm going. Be with me, okay everyone? So we are, I think we can get stuck here now. So yeah, we have came so far now. I think we will be getting stuck here now. So as you can see here, we have got stuck. So now we will be finding a new way from here. So here we have finally reached our destination and it is complete. See how entertaining it was. In our childhood we used to do all these puzzles and play all this, but nowadays we have totally forgot about all this. So I think the purpose of making this video was to relive our childhood days, to do all these activities. It just do our brain powering and help us in doing all this, will make us more intelligent and help us in making good decision making in our life. So I hope you all go for it. And now it is the next activity in which we have to join the dots to make this, and then we will be coloring it. Okay, so let's get started. So here I am joining the dots. Here I'm having camel crayons, wax crayons with me. You can take any of the colors. You can do painting, you can do anything. You can do pencil colors. So go for it. Just show your creativity. These activities come, we totally ignore it. So today I thought of sharing a video to inspire all of you, to motivate all of you to start following your hobbies, doing all those childhood activities. And this is complete. If you liked this video, then do like, comment your views and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, my new videos are coming very soon. Thank you so much.